Hey guys, I'm on the Allure of the Seas and I'm going to take you on a video walking tour of the arcade. Let's check it out. It looks like we got some bowling. Kind of let you see what all's in here. Got some air hockey. Now look at all these. Here's some more air hockey tables. They look a little different. They're kind of concave. Let's swing back around. I guess these are the claws, a claw machine. I don't know if you can win them or not. I guess if you're good enough, you can. Looks like we got some skee ball. People's always asking about the coin pusher games. Well, there's actually two of them side by side in the arcade. We got some motorcycle riding games right in here, and look. Just swing around. Looks like we got some car racing games on this side. More of these games to win prizes. I'm not sure what all these games are. I know y'all that play them do, but I just thought I'd try to just give everybody an idea of what this arcade looks like. That's the old Pac-Man game that I played when I was a kid. And yep, it is. They got that. I could actually play that game. I said I was good at it, but I could play it. A lot of these claw games in here. I guess this is where you buy your tokens. I don't know how much it costs, but if you don't find a duck, I guess you can win a duck. Winner every time. $1.50. Miss Pac-Man. And we got a Guitar Hero game in here. I remember playing that actually. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the arcade here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.